Hey guys, this is Ray Small Bake. Where'd you get the ice cream, Sophia?
This is not ice cream, this is cake.
Let's try and make some. And now it's egg time. Woo woo!
Now I'm gonna make the chocolate cake mix. And now I'm gonna put in the oil. And now I'm gonna pour in the eggs. Now it's time for icing cones. Oven time.
Let's make our famous buttercream icing with a twist. Now while I do the buttercream, Sophia's gonna work on the secret twist. Freeze dried strawberries.
Now we're gonna smash them. I'm done with the strawberries. Hey, Anthony.
Now we pour them in the icing. And we turn it on and mix it. And now we have
Strawberry frosting.
now that our cakes are cooled down, we're gonna put some icing. Now it looks like an ice cream cone. We're gonna put some sprinkles on top. And there we have it. Here's our chocolate cake that looks like an ice cream. Like and subscribe.